Hi, I'm Krishna Subramanian and I handle marketing at Kaviza. We wanted to show you a quick demonstration of what we're showing here at BriForum. Kaviza is a company that makes virtual desktops very easy and affordable. Citrix recently invested in us and we've licensed the Citrix HDX protocol. So what we're demoing here is actually Kaviza virtual desktops running with HDX. So if you see, you can hopefully see there's very rich user experience here. You have a multimedia application running. You may or may not be able to hear the sound of the music playing behind it. This is a Kaviza virtual desktop. And you might say, well, how is this different from any other virtual desktop, like the ones from Citrix or from VMware View? The big difference between other solutions and Kaviza is the infrastructure that we need to set up virtual desktops. With Kaviza, you do not require shared storage or multiple management servers. If you look at our demo here, we're running this demo with 3 simple machines that we've chained into a Kaviza grid. One of these is actually a laptop. It's just a 2-core 4 gig machine with some direct attached storage on it. Another is a 2-core 8 gig machine, and the third is also a 2-core 8 gig machine, and they're all running the Zen server hypervisor. So what you do with Kaviza is you take any server you might have, you load up a hypervisor, it can be either Zen server or ESX on it, and then you load the Kaviza virtual appliance on that hypervisor, and once you do that, you have a virtual desktop server. So next, you can actually set up different kinds of desktop images, and then you can start provisioning these desktops. So here, if you notice, we have set up some Windows 7 desktops, some Windows XP desktops, and we can go in and we have now set up different numbers of these desktops to pre-start or to run. And once we've set this up, Kaviza automatically generates these desktops. So it does dynamic provisioning of these desktops, and it automatically load balances the workload across those servers. So when you're administering this, you're simply saying, I want so many desktops of so many types. And if you notice, Kaviza is saying across this grid of 3 servers, I've used up 68% of that grid. And the part that's green is the part that's in active use. So Kaviza does all the provisioning and the load balancing, and it also handles the connection brokering and the high availability. So you notice here, if I click on user sessions, we have many different users logged into these desktops using the different images. They're logged into the different servers, and Kaviza automatically brokers all these connections. So the desktop that we showed you there that was running HDX is one of these users. It was actually Fred who was logged into that desktop. The beauty of Kaviza is the cost effectiveness that it provides. Hopefully you can see this here, but essentially you can get an entire virtual desktop setup for well under $500. This is your total cost, and the way it breaks down is your cost of your commodity server is about $100 a desktop. So if you take like a $5,000 Dell machine, you can typically run about 50 desktops on a dual quad-core machine with about 64 gigs of RAM. Then you put our virtual appliance with HDX. It's licensed at $160 a concurrent user. This is a perpetual license cost. If you need the Microsoft VECD or VDA license, that could be up to another $100. And then hypervisor, depending on which one you pick, it could be between $0 to $50 a desktop. So your entire back-end cost is well under $500, and you get a full virtual desktop setup. If you're interested in trying out Kaviza, you can go to www.kaviza.com, and you can download a free trial yourself. So hope you like it, hope you try it out, and hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.